how exactly do you guys approach developing a new product?
So it's funny. I mean, like even the Cran Water stories is just one of those things where it was a lot of it is gut, a lot of it is just trial and error. But years ago, I used to play a lot of squash. So
Mm-hmm.
Thaon, my daughter also was a big squash player, as we spoke about.
Yes. Yeah.
So when I would come off the squash court, I wanted something that was refreshing, sweet, but not too sweet. So drinking a straight juice and I didn't like Gatorade. So I used to actually take cranberry juice, the flavor. There was a flavor that I enjoyed, and I used to blend it with water, and I would just drink that because I found it to be very appetizing and very refreshing. And one day we were with one of the Ocean Spray people, and I said, let's try and come up with a formula to make a flavored water with cranberry juice. And the people were saying, they've tried it, but it was never successful in the US or other markets in the world. We developed, so the Cran Water that you see in Jamaica under the Water brand was probably the first and most successful Cran Water or flavored water anywhere in the region. Today, you can travel all over the Caribbean. You'll see Cran Waters everywhere. Everybody's got a Cran Water. Trinidad, Barbados, down in the islands. You'll even see it now in Central America and South America. Ocean Spray even has their own flavored water on the market, which is all of it is imitations on our product because we were the first that developed that product.
That's true.
And
I think
it was
Ocean Spray is it Splash or so on?
correct. That's correct. Yeah. And now remember, we were Ocean Spray's distributor in Jamaica. So when we parted ways and we took Ocean Spray off the label, in response, they came up with a development of this product, which is, to their, because we were doing big business and they saw the opportunity in the market. So that was, we saw a need at the time. I was much, much more involved in the product development cycle. We would sit down with our lab people and chemists, and we'd come up and keep doing repeated trials until we got the taste right. And that's how Cran Water was developed.